there will be some websites you cannot access in China. Some websites, like US websites, you will not be able to access to in China using the internet. When I was there, like 2007, I couldn't get onto CNN. But I think CNN is okay right now. But there's always some other websites. I think Facebook is okay. It used to be blocked, but Facebook is okay. Or Tiger Mail should work. Google, Gmail, they all should work. Yahoo Mail. Price freedom. There's a little bit of concern about uniforms. You see a lot of people wearing uniform on the street. They're not real government officials or policemen or militaries. It's just their work uniform. There's a lot of security guards. A lot of security guards in China, like a restaurant or company or shopping mall. That's their own security guard. They have some uniform like really real police. They're not. So don't worry about it. Just the uniform they wear.
As far as like internet censorship, what about like Skype or?
It's okay. We use that all the time. Skype is okay. Yeah. So that's one you use to talk to your family. Nationalism, you may have some conversation with some young people in China, so you get different opinions. But most 99% of the time, or 99% of people are really friendly to Americans. They like Americans. But if there's any conversation that brings some problem, you guys just be cool and don't make that work. Don't try to argue. All right, straight food and water. We talked about that last time, and I will not drink the tap water. They're not portable, and I will only drink bottled water or boiled water. Okay. Or you could get sick easily.
Like at a restaurant, would you order bottled water?
Yes. You can drink the hot tea too. Those hot tea are really hot, boiled tea. And all the food fully cooked. Don't try to eat something raw. No raw oyster. No raw snake liver. Okay, snake blood. Don't try that. Unless you want to get a shortcut back home. Recycle your cans. When you hold a bottle of water, drinking or walking on the street, there might be a guy or a kid following you. They just want to get your bottle when you're finished. So just give the bottle to them. Because a lot of people recycle, make a living on recycling the bottles and cans. Just give that to them. They won't hurt you. So each bottle worth probably 5 cents. Chinese yuan. So you can get 20 bottles to make 1 Chinese yuan at 15 cents or 16 cents, more money. Street food, I won't recommend you guys to eat street food anymore. They're good, they're delicious, but they're not safe.
How about the lamb skewers?
I won't eat the lamb skewers as well on the street. Eat them in the restaurant. I will give Dr. Eder some good restaurant. They have really good authentic Chinese food like lamb skewer. That's really good stuff. But don't eat them on the street. You may not have got a lamb if you do. You may got some dog or cat. Yeah. Everything we do is for fun, right? Studying, traveling, culture, learning. It will be a lifetime experience. It's for fun. Just be ready for what are you going to see, what are you going to eat, and what are you going to hear. Just a few more things. I want to mention public transportation in the next few minutes. And really convenient taxi is really cheap, relatively cheap. for the first 3 kilometers, 2 miles, you pay 10 Chinese yuan. 10 Chinese yuan, so $1.6 for the first 2 miles. After that, it's like half of a dollar or $0.75 per kilometer. So if you travel inside city, taking taxi, very convenient and easy. But if traffic is bad during the rush hour, traffic is bad, don't take taxi. Try when you take taxi, get 3 or 2 guys, two people I believe, or 3 can share that and also be safe. Or just to share the seat. I mean, you have to be with somebody.